Welcome to the SMG channel. As one of China's leading one-stop solution providers for steel projects, SMG delivers complete steel production line equipment and turnkey project solutions, dedicated to helping clients achieve professional, reliable, and cost-effective steel plants. After the steel slab completed its initial transformation in the previous stage, its journey did not come to an end. Now, let us continue to follow SMG's lens into the downstream section of the hot strip mill, where finishing, rolling, and coiling take place. The camera rolls. Fresh from roughing, the slab still radiating residual heat moves steadily along the roller table and enters the coil box. Here, the slab is briefly held. Through controlled heat redistribution, the temperature difference between head and tail is subtly equalized, creating more favorable conditions for the subsequent finishing rolling. From this perspective, the operating state of the coil box can be clearly observed. It may appear calm, yet the control is precise and exercise in disciplined temperature management and the prelude to high-quality hot rolling. The strip then passes through the high-pressure water descaling system. Like a swift cleansing, powerful water jets remove the oxide scale. Immediately afterward, the strip enters the finishing mill, where under the strong rolling force of 4 high finishing stands, the once massive slab undergoes a true transformation, reduced in thickness, refined in microstructure, and improved in surface flatness. As the aerial shot rises, we gain an overhead view of the core operating zone of the finishing mill. High-speed equipment and tightly coordinated systems together form the most powerful hub of the entire production line. All of this reflects SMG's strengths in overall hot strip mill design and advanced system integration. After finishing rolling, the strip enters the laminar cooling system. Based on strip thickness and rolling speed, the number of spray headers and water flow are precisely regulated. After finishing rolling, the strip enters the laminar cooling system. Cooling here is not merely about temperature reduction, but about fine-tuning material properties, laying the foundation for subsequent coiling and final application. After cooling, the strip is systematically taken over by 3 underground coilers. Under continuous and stable tension control, the still hot strip is gradually gathered and wound, forming hot-rolled coils with compact structure and uniform geometry. Subsequently, the coils are discharged, automatically strapped, and transferred onto the conveying line. Coil transfer cars deliver the coils to the marking station, where an automated spray marking system accurately applies product identification. The coils are then conveyed to the finished product area, ready for shipment. SMG delivers more than just a production line. It provides a complete turnkey solution that is mature, reliable, and designed for sustainable, stable operation. Choose SMG. Live up to your trust.